Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage M2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Polar Flow application. Where is it? Right here. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Polar Flow application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you will see the today page probably. This one. And once you see it, you can tap on the more options icon right here in the top left corner, then tap on devices. And on this page, you should see your Vantage M2. Now scroll down, find the option called phone notifications and tap on on. It will enable the notifications and also you will see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions probably. So allow the required permissions if you need to. If you see this message, tap on turn on. It will redirect you to this page. On this page, find the Polar Flow. You have two of them as you can see. Tap on one, tap on switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, then go back and allow the notification access for the second one. So tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow and go back to the app. Okay, and once you enable the notifications and you're done with the permissions, you'll be able to enable them or disable them without problem. And also you can change the mode. You have always on, training on and training off. Okay, once you're done setting it up, you will need to sync your watch with your phone. So we can force sync the watch by pressing and holding the back button. And the watch should start syncing with your phone. And once it's done, the settings should be applied. And after that, you should be able to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, syncing is done. Now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and we should receive it on our phone and then it should be forwarded to our watch. So let's send the message. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. To view it on your watch, press the back button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons, select the notifications and then press the middle button. And here we have our notification, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.